I'm going to point your attention and explain this whole thing. It's a bit big, it's probably gonna take about half an hour. So this is you, or this is me, or this is Mr. X, and he's gonna be our main character today. His salary is $100,000. He pays $22,700 in taxes, and he managed to save $100,000 in savings, which is quite a lot, but this whole thing is just an example. I try to be realistic, but it's not always the case. It's just for the purpose of explanation. So he is renting, no ownership. And his borrowing capacity is $500,000. And this borrowing capacity is static, which means we are not going to discuss anything in regards to how to increase your borrowing capacity. So let's just assume this is a static number, just to explain this thing. Then what I am actually doing is I am investing into off-the-plan townhouses, or almost off the plan. Almost means that construction has already started. Maybe it's halfway done, maybe it's just 10% done, but it's more than nothing. But even if it is just nothing, it is still fine. I like Queensland. I am mostly investing in Queensland, but it's a Queensland Plus, which means it will probably work in some other states. I am not 100% sure. Then, off the plan. Sometimes when people say off the plan, they assume that off the plan is like somewhere in the middle of nowhere, in the west of Sydney, somewhere like hours away, where all the house and land construction is happening, lots of constructions and lots of other houses. So I am focusing only in established locations with a nice lifestyle, with no other constructions around. So our place should be unique in established locations, not in the middle of nowhere. I actually seen nice offers even in Sydney's eastern suburb of Vaucluse. Vaucluse is a blue chip, super expensive, and even there it is possible. I have seen a really nice, but I think it was too expensive. Then another important thing that you have to know is that we are assuming that off-the-plan construction takes approximately 2 years. And in 2 years, we are converting